Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Hello? Aliza? Sajja? Uh, Hello. Today we'll talk about the IFRS courses, which is either a certificate or diploma. Let me introduce myself at the first. This is Ayman Salakawi. I have 13 years experience in accounting, finance, audit, I got many certificates in accounting and finance, which is CMA, IFRS, FMVA. Currently, I'm a finance manager in food and beverage company at Saudi Arabia. I'm a trainer and instructor in Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Emirat, Libya, Egypt, for many delivering for many courses related to the accounting and finance, audit, investment, planning, budgeting, and so on. Today we'll talk about the IFRS. What is the IFRS course? So at the start, first of all, we have a two certificate. So we have a IFRS diploma, two types. We have IFRS diploma, okay, which is go depths in standards along with all treatment or cases. So this is a diploma. We study more than 38 standard accounting standard in our courses, plus the accounting standards for small and medium entities, plus the difference between the GAAP and IFRS. This is the IFRS diploma, but we have IFRS certificate, which is talk about the accounting and standard in a brief. So we teaching or explaining more than 41 accounting standard. We talk about the all standard in a brief, but at the end of this course you will get all information related to the accounting standards, and you can apply this standard in your company. So this is the difference between them. But if we can start about the course related to the IFRS, maybe certificates around 4 hours, maybe the diploma from 60 to 80 hours. We can talk about the exam for IFRS certificate. We can enter the exam or make the assessment for each day during any day during the year. Okay. Um, you make a subscription on ACCA. You can select any time suitable for you. Then you make the exercise. The exam consists of 25 MCQ questions. Okay. No essay, only MCQ questions. The duration of exam around 1 hour. You have a three trials. You have a three trials for IFRS certificates during 6 months. This is IFRS certificate. But if we talk about the IFRS diploma, we have four question. We can say question. So each question include sub question, and each question have more than 4 to 5 questions, sub questions. Okay. We have fixed question related to the consolidation, which is each question 25%. If you solve the four question right, you will get 100%. But one question from consolidation, accounting group and consolidation, and the other three questions from all standards. So we have to focus on the consolidation and accounting group. The exam will be in maybe in June or in December. Okay, so no free trial, only one trial. If you not pass, you will pay fees again and re-enter the exam. So this is the brief about the IFRS. Okay. How many standard we have in accounting standard? So we have more than 40 standard. The first one, we have a presentation of financial statement. Financial statement, we have 5 financial statement. We have financial position. We have income statement or profit or loss. We have a change in equity. We have a cash flow. We have other comprehensive income. So in this group, he talk about the how to prepare financial statement. What is the base of financial statement? What is the principle and assumption and users for the financial statement? And what is the right presentation of financial statement? So this is the first standard. After that, we have a new standard, not a new standard, which is recently a standard, which talk about the revenue from contract with customer. So previously, we have two standard related to the revenue. We have a standard related to the revenue, and we have another standard related to the construction revenue. So in this standard, he combines the two standard in one standard, which is named revenue from contract with customers. Okay. After that, in this standard we talk about the revenue recognition. So we have a five steps to make a revenue recognition. After that, in the standard he talk about the revenue from construction. We have a two ways: customer certificate or percentage of completion. We have IS 8. So the difference between the standard started from IFRS and standard started from IAS, we have a change in the formation of IFRS foundation. So this is so any standard after 2001 will be started from IFRS. Okay? Any standard after 2001 will start from IFRS. Before that, we have a standard, the standard will be started with a IAS. Okay? طيب. After that, we have another standard, which is mean IS 8, accounting policies, change in accounting, estimate and error. So he talk about the how to select the accounting policy. Who is select the accounting policy? And if we have a change in accounting policy from this policy to this policy, what can we do? How can apply this? Retrospective or proactive? And he talk about the change in estimate, which is mean useful life, um, percentage of bad debts, provision bad debts, percentage of provision of returns. So if you change an estimate, so how to deal with that? And he talk about the discovered error in the previous year. After that, IS10, event after reporting period. So he talk about the events happening between two dates. Which two dates? The first date is the end of year, and the second date is the issuance date. So we have a gap between them, maybe from 2 to 3 months. So during the from end of year and the financial statement issuance and sign. So how can we deal with this those cases we discovering? Right. After that, um, we talk about the another standard which related to the PPE. What is the meaning of PPE? Property, plant, and equipment. Type, which is fixed assets. Um, Fixed asset is related to we have a definition. What is the fixed asset? What is the asset recognition? What is the asset measurement? Uh, Also, we talk about the depreciation, the method of depreciation. We talk about the asset disposal. We talk about the asset termination. So we will explain all this treatment in this standard. After that, IAS 38, intangible asset. He talk about the non-physical asset, like software, like patent, like copyright, um, like button, like master, like franchise, brand, goodwill, and so on. After that, IFRS 5, non-current asset held for sale. يعني if you have an asset, we didn't use this asset خلاص and they intend to sell this asset. So we have a treatment because the huge asset we can sell it immediately. So you have a plan. So what can we do or the treatment during this period from the announcement of sale this asset till sell it physically. So we have a treatment, we'll apply it here. Another one, he talk about the discontinued operation. Discontinued operation related to the three cases, okay, or three types. The first one is which related to the business line. Okay, if you have a business line, let's say we are a beverage company. So we have a juices, we have a yogurt, we have a milk. So each one of them is a business line. Juices is a business line. Um, Milk is a business line. Yogurt is a business line. So any one from them is a business line. This is the the first type. The second type, if there are parent company and subsidiary company. So each subsidiary from them is business or operation, discontinued operation. Third one is the geographical area, which is I located in Saudi Arabia and I have a branch at Egypt and USA, England, and so on. So this standard talk about that. After that, we have an investment of property, and he talk only here about the investment in property, not investment in asset. So include the lands and building, how to deal and accounting treatment with the property and asset if we can invest in those assets. After that, we have another, yeah, if we can build a huge plant, maybe a huge admin building and a huge project. So you need to finance from a bank. So what about the interest you paid for the financing to build or to complete this project? Maybe will be treated as expenses or capitalized on the fixed asset. IS 20 is he talk about the government grant. Maybe the government make a grant as a revenue or as a asset. As a revenue, like in Saudi Arabia, we have a hadaf. Hadaf, if the company hire a new fresh Saudian people, so he took half of his salary or maybe 2,000 from his or her salary from the government. So this is grant as an income from the government. Other way, we have a government as an asset. So maybe the government grant the company مثلا like asset like land, like building, like equipment, maybe full discount, maybe half this, maybe it's a specific discount. This is the grant as a fixed or as asset. And we have another way, the grant as income or revenue. Yes, inventory. Talk about the inventory type, talk about the inventory recognition, he talk about the inventory measurement, we talk about the inventory revaluation, we talk about the type of inventory valuation, which is LIFO, FIFO, weighted average. Uh, Very complex and very complex standard, which is IFRS leases, IFRS 16 leases. So he talk about the lease and the treatment for leasee and for lessor, and the depreciation method and how to calculate the present value, how to make the initial recognition, how to make the depreciation and interest entry. So everything about the lease, finance lease or capital lease, we will show it in this standard. Agriculture, we talk about the agriculture, which divide to two types. The first one related to the plant, and second one related to the animals. IFRS 6, we talk about the industry. This is a standard specific for mineral and oil and gas industry. All is this standard for this industry only. Mining and oil and gas. Okay, he talk about all treatment for this industry. IS 12 income tax. He talk about the all type of tax, but he focused there about the income tax. He to focus about the difference between the accounting profit and tax profit and difference between them, which is mean the deferred tax, maybe deferred tax asset, maybe deferred tax liability. How to present that, how to deal, how to discover and determine if this is a deferred tax asset or liability. IS 19 employee benefit. He talk about all the rights and benefit for the employee. Short-term benefit, compensation, talk about the pension, he talk about the long-term benefit, he talk about the termination, he talk about everything related to the staff cost or staff benefit, and so on. Um, After that, we have a group related to, we have a three standard related to the group is, which is financial instrument. He talk about the financial asset, financial liability, the type of investment in financial asset and the financial liability. He talk about the hedging. He talk about the impairment and the provision for loans, the provision and the impairment for account receivable. So this برضو this is يعني very complex standard. Mainly this standard serve in the banking industry يعني. Uh, After that, we have insurance. This is standard specialized for the insurance company only. Uh, so we have another standard with which is IS 37 is a provision. So he explained how to make a provision, when and where make a provision, the example of a provision, the cases we facing in a provision treatment. We talk about the contingent asset and the contingent liability, how to settle each and the provision at the end of the year, how to deal with the older provision. Some cases we have to focus on it because this is not acceptable to make at a trade as as a provision. So this is برضه very important standard يعني. Share-based payment, you talk about if the company need to retain the top management and director. So he make a more privilege, more benefit. This benefit related to the grant, share, or option, maybe grant SAR, share capital appreciation. So he talk about how to deal with about the grant, the company grant for the director, for the top management, and the condition. What is the condition of this grant to be achieved or to be done from top management and director? So everything about this standard. Business combination and IFRS 10, we talk about the consolidation group. If I have a full control or control on the company. So this is I'm a parent company, this is subsidiary company. So the subsidiary company have to be consolidated with my financial statement. So he talk about how to make this acquisition, what is the acquisition, what is the treatment of acquisition, how to calculate the goodwill. After that, how to make the financial statement at end of each year. He took in deeply about the mechanism of preparing the financial consolidation and so on. After that, he talk about the another standard for other type of investment. We have investment in financial assets, so we have a consolidation. The third one is investment in associate or investment in joint venture. The mean of joint is share a control. So maybe make a business, but the control it's sharing between us. Maybe one of the partner of investors have يعني his investment percentage exceed 50%, but at the end in this type of investment the control is sharing between all investors. So in this standard, we talk about this investment and accounting treatment and so on. After that, we talk about the forex, foreign exchange rate, and what's the type, which are related to the foreign currency translation. We talk about the forex, realized the forex and unrealized the forex. Everything about the foreign exchange rate will be showing in this standard. Another standard, but this is standard in only in IFRS certificate, not found or not showing in IFRS diploma. Hyperinflation, financial reporting in hyperinflation. They talk about if any country or any company operate in country have hyperinflation. This inflation 100% for the three last year. If this happening, so you have to make restate for the financial statement. After that, we talk about the cash flow. We talk about the operating segment, how to make a presentation for the operating segment. Operating segment, maybe customer, maybe product, maybe region, maybe group, category, and so on. Related party, what is the treatment of related party disclosure? Maybe is if either individual or companies. And the last one is earning per share, how to calculate the earning per share for the investor, and we will explain the principle and difference between the gap and IFRS. And this is talk about what is how the IFRS founded in and the history of IFRS foundation and so on. But if we ask me about why we study IFRS, why? We study IFRS because this is the common language. This is the common language between the companies. This is the first one. If you need to make a comparison between your company, which benchmark between your company and foreign company or local company, so how to make that? You have to يعني one unify the accounting treatment. The accounting treatment is IFRS standards. So if we have the same IFRS treatment or IFRS standard, so we can make a comparison, right comparison, which is local or globally. So this is the first one. Second one, as I mentioned before, this is the common language between us. Okay, third one, if you need to make a takeover, if you need to make investment, so if this company follow and applies accounting standard, so you can check your current position with the company you need to acquire and so on. But at the same time, we have disadvantages or IFRS standard, or we can call limitation. So IFRS is focus in deeply, focus in more details. So this is a costly wise. This is a cost of implementation. Plus, you need the accounting stuff, and you need a stuff. So this is more costly as well. Plus, he focus in more details. So this is focus in details. So if we compare between the IFRS and the GAAP, IFRS based in rule, sorry, based in principle, but gap based on rules. Okay, what's the difference between them? The gap is restricted rule. 1 plus 1 equal 2. So this is a gap. If a new cases happening in the gap, we have a problem. So this is case not be found in a gap accounting standard. So what can we do? But in IFRS, he is it's a principle standard. Principle is the base. Okay, this is the knowledge, this is the base. This is the base. So you can apply this in your company or in your industry based on best practices. So if you have any new cases, if you have any surprised cases, emergency cases, so you can deal with it because you have a principle, you have principle which more flexibility, in flexibility more than um, the rules. The rule is very, very restricted. So this is the difference between them. So in when we study, inshallah, IFRS standard together, you will hear more time. This is treatment according to the best practice. This is treatment according to the best practice. So this is IFRS. More flexibility. Okay. If you talk about the IFRS foundation, so if you're thinking about how the standard generated, so how the standard generated, so everyone in this field thinking about that, what is it? So we have structure. A structure start from the monitoring board, which include the huge organization all over the world. Okay. طيب. After that, he select or hire IFRS Foundation, which include 22 trustees all over the world. Yeah, six from North America and six from Europe and Asia. After that, from two from Africa and South America. We have a structure, yeah. Okay, so but they start from the monitoring board, appoint the IFRS Foundation or IFRS trustees all over the world, 22 from all over the world. After that, this foundation, he appoint IFRS Council, which include consultancy board all over the world, which include 30 members. This is guide the IFRS Foundation. This is a consultant of IFRS Foundation. How to can make the IFRS Foundation? What is the comment of all companies, all countries, and so on. So IFRS Foundation is higher IFRS International IFRIC, which is mean IFRS Financial Reporting Interpretation. He is responsible to review. He is the final hand. He review the final IFRS which generated from ISP ASAP. ASAP is responsible for generated accounting standards. Okay, in IFRS course, he focus on basics. You have to learn it. First one, what is the objective of accounting and financial statement? What is the objective? Why you make a financial reporting? Why you make this one? So what is the objective from this? Uh, Second one, users. Who is use this financial reporting? Maybe internal user, maybe external user. So, but at the end, who is the users? He waits a financial statement and financial reporting. After that, qualitative characteristics. So if you talk about how to increase the quality of financial reporting, how to increase the quality of figures. So he took in this section about how to increase and enhance the quality of numbers, the quality of reporting, everything. After that, he talk about the assumption, he talk about the principle, he talk about the elements, and so on. Mr. Abdulaziz?
Yes, mister.
Uh, you are working in Saudi Arabia or from where?
Yeah, I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Originally Saudi Arabia, right?
Sorry?
Originally from Saudi Arabia, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay, what is the field you are working? Field in the or industry?
Sorry, my English language is not perfect. So,
Okay, if you want يعني to speak in Arabic يعني to complete our session in Arabic it's available يعني لو حابب ان احنا نكمل السيشن بالعربي ده متاح يعني.
as you like زي ما تحب أنت. أنا ما هي يعني زي ما أنت حابب.
You understand what I'm saying طيب at least?
Yes, yes. Continue in
Oh,
English. No problem.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. So this is the conceptual framework of financial reporting or accounting standards. Um, We talk about we have financial statement. Financial statement is the first one is financial statement of financial position. The second one is profit or loss. So in GAAP we called it balance sheet, but in IFRS we called it is financial position. In GAAP we have an income statement. In IFRS we have a profit or loss. After that, we have a change in equity. We have OCI, other comprehensive income. We have the last one is cash flow. But in accounting standard, we have a separate standard for the cash flow. So the first four is financial statement in IS 1 standard. But cash flow in separate standard IS7 cash flow because the cash flow is very, very, very important statement. Cash flow not covered in the diploma, only in IFRS certificates. Uh, yeah, we can ask ourselves, what is the need of IFRS standards? What is the need from that? Okay, the need from that to build financial reporting according to the globalization. So this is the first need from apply the IFRS standards. Second one, to operate يعني yeah, maybe company have a head office in Saudi Arabia, so and they have another one in Egypt, Jordan, Dubai. So يعني we have to and you must to have one language, one accounting treatment, one standard. So this will pure be perfect to apply in our accounting world يعني. Um, yeah, this is our session today related to the IFRS overview. We started from what is the IFRS standard, what is the difference between IFRS diploma and IFRS certificate. We explain how to pass the exam, and what is the structure and what's the formation of IFRS certificate and IFRS diploma exam and the time for each of them. So after that, we talk about the each standard. What is the purpose from each standard? We have more than 40 standards. After that, we talk about the formation of IS or IFRS foundation. We talk about the importance and the advantages of IFRS standards and the limitation and disadvantages of IFRS standard, plus the needs for IFRS standard. Also, we talk about the duration of IFRS course. Plus, finally, we talk about the conceptual framework of financial reporting and standard that we talk about today. So every session we have a time for discussion and any question. So any خلاص we are finalized. So this is our overview today. Hi إسرار. Hello إسرار. إسرار, you hear me all? هو انت عامل المايك ميوت يا اسرار؟ unmute the mic to can hear you.
I'm hearing you.
You hear me all? From where, اسرار؟
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm hearing you.
From where يا اسرار؟ Saudi Arabia or from where؟
No, no. I'm from Peshawar, Pakistan, and working as
Pakistan.
a finance manager. I'm presently working as finance manager in UNFPA UN project.
Okay. Okay. In Saudi Arabia, you're working at finance manager at Saudi Arabia or where? In
No, no.
Pakistan.
I'm not in Saudi Arabia. I am in Pakistan.
Currently in Pakistan.
Yes, sir. I am currently in Pakistan and working as a finance and administration manager with UNFPA project
Okay.
and have.
Yeah, we start our session today from 1 hour at we talk about the IFRS. What is the difference between the IFRS diploma, IFRS certificates? So IFRS diploma go in depth about the standards, the accounting, all treatment. So IFRS certificate just talk in briefly about the standards. So the exam for IFRS diploma maybe in June and December only, but the IFRS certificate any day you can enter and pass and make the assessment exam. So we have a so and you have a free trial during 6 months. Uh, Plus, if we talk about بقى we talk about the advantages and disadvantages for accounting standard. We talk about the needs of IFRS standards. We talk about the conceptual framework, which includes the users of financial statement, the principles, the assumption, the qualitative characteristics. The qualitative, which is mean enhance and increase the quality of figures, the quality of financial reporting. um, we'll talk about the IFRS Foundation, who is generate and reviews the standards all over the world. What is the history of IFRS? So this is what we explain it through our session today.
Okay.
If you need, okay, maybe
Yes.
communicate with, yeah, if you need the recorded session, you can align with the academy. يعني انت from where you know this session and attend.
Okay, sir. It will be great if you can share the program. Actually, the time mentioned that was in the email of the Saudi Arabia mentioned time. So the difference between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan is 2 hours. So I was expecting that it will be starting at 9 p.m. or local time, but I just check it. So the program has started. So it's okay. I will have to recover it.
No, no worries. Still with you for 15 minutes for any question. But my question here is from where you know this session, free session, from where you know this about this session.
I think, yeah, okay, okay. I have applied, I think, on the LinkedIn, and further also, I have done CCA fundamentalist as well.
So you show this announcement through LinkedIn, right? So maybe you have a problem in network connection error, connection issue.
Hello.
Uh, أيوة, I hear you
Yes, sir.
well now.
Yes, sir. I am here. Are you getting me?
Yeah, yeah, I hear you well.
Yes. So I was talking to you, sir. I have applied this. I think if I remember, I have applied it on the LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. You show this announcement through
Yes.
LinkedIn, right?
Yes, sir. I'm using LinkedIn very professionally and on regular basis as well.
Okay. طيب, you can ask me about what you are waiting from this session, what you need to know, what you need. يعني ask me, I with you إن شاء الله.
Oh, sure. Actually, I'm just asking about the certificate, about this course. How long this course will be, and exact timing. What will be the exact timing, and what will be the fee structure? So, if you can guide me regarding this.
يعني, if you talk about the course structure and any details related to the course, maybe ask Aliza Smith. You heard as well.
Yeah. Is she available right now?
Yeah, available, but I don't know is if she hear us or no. But يعني إن شاء الله we can I will text I will text her through WhatsApp.
Uh, Okay. Sir, can you kindly introduce yourself? So it will be great for me to be in contact, in touch with you, not for today, but maybe in the future as well.
Okay, ما أنا دي أيمن سلكاوي in LinkedIn. أيمن سلكاوي as well.
Yeah.
I have
Okay.
more than 13-year experience, most of them related to the food and beverage.
Mm.
In Egypt, Saudi Arabia. I got a CMA, IFRS, FMVA. I working at field training and teaching field for more than 13 years. For more than 10 years in Middle East. Uh,
Okay.
so this
And
is
you
sorry,
and you are
yes.
from Saudi Arabia, sir? You are from
Originally from
Saudi Arabia?
originally from Egypt, but currently I working as a finance manager in Saudi Arabia. Plus,
Oh, that's great, sir. Sir, with which organization, sir?
في food company in Dammam
Okay,
region.
sir. Okay, okay. I have, as you know, sir, since 2018, I've been working in the UN's programs in here in Pakistan with UNFPA, UNICEF, and UN Women as well. And in the Saudi Arabia, I have appeared once for interview with United Nations World Tourism Organization, and they put me on roster, but still didn't know further exactly what they did with that positions. Either it is fill up or not, but I haven't got any email from them as well. So I was always looking for a great opportunity in Saudi Arabia. So it is really nice to be in contact with you, sir. It's my pleasure and to have and hope that I can learn a lot from your side as well.
Okay, precious, perfect.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do you have any
Okay, sir.
question?
What will be the course content you'll be teaching
You
to
talk
us?
about the IFRS certificate or IFRS diploma?
Uh, Either certificate or diploma, which if, I think it's both of them are very important as a financial perspective. But let's see if I get a diploma, that will be that will be a wonderful, or get a certificate, it will be helpful. But I have a lot of certificates from UNICEF, UNFPA, World Bank. Uh, or other donors agencies. So I have done all these budgeting certificates, international financial reporting certificates as well. But hopefully, this will help me in future as well for a future purpose as well. So let's see, we'll get certificate or diploma, but I will discuss it.
See, based on your needs, if you know the
Yes,
accounting
sir.
standard in depth, if you're working at the audit, if you are a finance manager, so you have to know everything about the accounting. So IFRS diploma, your English is perfect. You love the
Okay.
study, so you can go to the
Yes.
IFRS diploma. If you need to just get a brief about the accounting standard, how to deal with the accounting standard, just to know
Mhm.
the basis, okay, IFRS certificate is very good.
Okay. So, Okay, okay, I will be trying to going for both.
Sorry?
I'm trying to get both the certificates and diploma as well, both of them.
Yeah, and why you can get only one يعني, diploma or certificates?
I do have a lot of certificates, as I mentioned, that I have a lot of United Nations certificates, World Bank certificates. So, okay, let's see if I get a certificate or diploma I'll be looking for. But hopefully, whichever I get, I will get. It will help me.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. So you're welcome.
Yeah, always. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we should continue or what? Is this a demo or we should
Yeah,
continue?
already we start from 1 hour. Okay. We start our session. Hello? Hello, Israr?
Hello? Are you
Yeah.
getting me?
Yeah, I hear you all.
Okay, that's nice. So, I was asking, is this a demo class or it is now from
Yeah,
today?
the demo session we started from 1 hour ago, 1 hours ago.
Okay,
But if you have any question, we can repeat the important point related to the content, the difference between the IFRS certificate, IFRS diploma, what is the time for each one, what's the formation of
I
IFRS.
understand all the. I
So if
understand
you,
all these things, sir.
which is perfect.
So, okay, so when will be the regular classes be started? Either it from today or tomorrow or whichever date.
Yeah, if we talk about the start course, if you talk about the course start, yeah, we have to revert to the Miss Aliza.
Okay.
Uh, Miss Aliza,
Is she available, sir? Excuse me,
yeah,
sir. Is
yeah,
she available?
yes,
Where,
sure.
okay.
It should be
Can I
available.
talk
It
to
should be
her?
available by text here through WhatsApp. Maybe reply through WhatsApp, okay, through message here. But you talk
Okay.
about if you have any question related to the accounting standards, the exam preparation, the formation of accounting standards, anything related to the content. So I will be replying you, inshallah.
Okay, that's
Yes,
nice.
he replied through WhatsApp. And the course will start at 10
Okay.
a.m. Allah. Yes.
Yeah, okay. I have got her message. Hello, sir. Are you getting me?
Yeah. Any question
Okay,
again?
that's nice. No, no, I don't have any. I'm just seeing the
Yeah, you
charts
can share your
you
contact
have.
number. He asked you for contact number, Aliza.
Yes, sir. Elisa, if Elisa have her contact number, so you should share me in the private message.
Yeah, ماشي, okay.
Yeah, where is she? Is she is in Saudi Arabia with yourself or sir somewhere else?
No. This academy in USA.
You
But
say that's
yeah,
yeah.
he deliver more courses, most of courses in Middle East and Saudi Arabia, but
Mhm.
the academy location in USA.
Oh,
If you
that's
talk about
nice.
the start of if you talk about the course start, yeah, yeah, he shared his number.
Yeah, I'm showing. Okay.
Okay.
And,
It should be available. It should be available.
I have dropped her. a message, my telephone numbers.
Yeah, the both.
Yeah,
Okay.
she have got this plus 91. I think it's a is this a USA number or something?
Yeah. The first one, yes, yes, is United States, yes.
Okay. Okay, let's hope I will contact her further. Yeah,
Sorry?
so we should carry on, or is this let's with the session will be
Can
too
we
long, or
we've
it's okay.
we've yes, we've يعني you can text Aliza to send the recorded session, okay, because we finished our session today. So you can text her
Okay.
directly to get the recorded session. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, sir, that's good. I will contact her and I'll be asking for the recorded session.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Israr. Best of luck, inshallah.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yeah,
you so
thank you
much
so much,
for
sir.
your attending and
Yes,
best of luck,
sir.
inshallah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your
Thank you,
kind
thank you,
time. And okay, bye bye. Thank you.
thank you, Aliza. Thank you.
Okay, hasta